30 English mistakes in 30 days. Day 18. Prepositions at work. The tiny words killing a professional English. One small mistake, three lost opportunities. Today we fix it for good. Most people say this. I want to discuss about the project, which is a wrong sentence said in office across the UAE every single day. Is this actually wrong? Watch until the end. Why it matters. This mistake costs you in the real world. In a job interview, you say, discuss about your strengths. The interviewer mentally crosses you out. In an email to your boss, you write, I want to mention about an issue. You sound unsure, even if the idea is great. In a client meeting, you say, let me explain about our service. Here, your credibility drops before the pitch begins. One wrong preposition, three lost opportunities. The rule. Some verbs are already complete. Adding a preposition after them is like adding a fifth wheel, which is unnecessary and awkward. These verbs never take a prepositions after them. The first word is discuss. Second one, mention. Then the third one is explain. Fourth one, request. Fifth one is reach. Sixth one, approach. And the seventh one is emphasize. And the last eighth one is consider. So, all these verbs never take a preposition after them. Before versus after. In the first box, we have few sentences under before and few sentences under after. The first sentence is that, let me discuss about the budget. The sentence is completely wrong and the corrected version for that sentence is, let me discuss the budget. Second sentence, she mentioned about the delay. This is a wrong sentence and the corrected version for that sentence is, she mentioned the delay. The third one, please explain about the process. And the corrected version for this sentence is, please explain the process. Drop the preposition. Your sentence is already complete. Remember this. Say it with me. First word is discuss. Second word is mention. Third word is explain. And the fourth one is request. Here, these verbs never take about, for, or to after them. Why? Because there is an easy memory trick. These verbs have built-in meaning. Adding a preposition is like saying ATM machine redundant means. That means ATM already stands for automatic teller machine. Machine, you are repeating machine twice here. Similarly, these verbs already include the prepositions, meaning so adding one is unnecessary and wrong. Practice with me. Fix these three sentences. The first one, the manager will approach about the issue tomorrow. The second one, could you please request for a meeting room? The third one, I need to emphasize about the deadline. Pause the video and try this yourself before scrolling. Practice answers. How did you do? The first one, approach about the issue. It is a wrong answer and the corrected answer is approach the issue. Why? Because the verb is already complete here. The second one, request for a meeting room. It is a wrong answer and the corrected answer is request a meeting room. Here also the verb is already complete. The third one, emphasize about the deadline. It is a wrong sentence and the corrected one is emphasize the deadline is the correct answer. Why? Because here also the verb is already complete. 3 out of 3 correct. You are already ahead of 90% of the room. Real life use. Use it today in these situations. In a meeting, I would like to discuss the question 3 numbers before we close. In an email, I just want to mention the revised deadline is Friday. In an interview, let me explain my approach to solving this problem. Day 18. Don't miss tomorrow. Tomorrow, day 19. The one mistake that gets Indians and Filipinos rejected in UA job interviews. Today fix, remember this. Discuss, mention, explain, request. There is no preposition after these words. Subscribe so you don't miss day 19. Your fluency journey continues.